Alright, my name's Adrian Jin, otherwise known as John Tyler, and I've ported the MSP 430 drum kit to use an Atmega 32. It's running at 20 megahertz, and here's an LCD screen connected up to Fruity Loops, and this here is an Atmega 8 USB to MIDI converter, talking through just usual MIDI to the Atmega 32, and here's some peizo drum pads connected up to one of the inputs, a couple of the inputs there. So I'll just do a little demo of what it is. And you can have a look at the LCD screen. It's got so I've connected it up to channels 6 and 8, and as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So obviously you can add up to quite a few drum pads, and I've also made it so you can hook up digital inputs as well. You can have up to 8 foot pedals, so you could have 1 foot pedal for the kick, 1 foot pedal for the hi-hat, and the audio output will dynamically change depending on the state. So if you push the hi-hat pedal down, you'll hear a closed hi-hat if you hit this one, and if you let go, it will sound different. So yeah. It's nearly finished. I'll get round to finishing it up really soon. As soon as I hook up the digital inputs, I pretty much only have to put the cover back on and it will be done. Obviously, I want to make it a bit more user friendly, so improvements I will add are dynamic updating of the memory of the code through the USB MIDI controller, and so some sort of bootloader, and maybe if I can, I'll try to put, instead of having to use an external USB to MIDI converter, I'll put the MIDI code, USB to MIDI code on the Atmega 32 itself. So once I've done that, then, can you pass us that pink thing over there? This one here is from Italy, given to me by Roberto just today, recently, and this one here, if you look at this board here, is also yet another drum kit, but it's running off a USB Atmega, so it's got native USB on board, and you can see there's a couple of MIDI outputs there, and these are all the analog and or digital inputs, LCD screen and a few others. So once I've finished on this, I can easily port it to this, and I think once I've finished this, which should be another week or so, then I will work on creating a completely different one, changing the entire architecture and using microchip picks, because I want to get into picks. I don't care if people think they're better or worse, but I'm going to choose the red pill instead of the blue pill and go for picks, because they've got inbuilt USB modules, they're pretty fast nowadays, and yeah, I can't wait to get involved with picks. So many great things to come, and yeah, watch out for the Pick E drum kit.